Good morning, children. Today we are going to start new lesson, festivals and pairs. So here in this lesson, mainly we learned about we discuss about the recognize the spirit of cooperation among the people, and also participating in the local festivals, functions and pairs. So here in this lesson, mainly we discuss about the festivals like Deepavali and also Ramzan and also Christmas, and what are the different dishes are prepared at the time of festivals, and what are the programs are arranged at the time of festivals, and what are the activities are going so at the time of festivals. So all these things we discussed here in this lesson. Now let us discuss one by one. Okay, here first in this lesson, mainly we learned about the recognize the spirit of cooperation among the people, and also how the peoples are participating in the local festivals and functions and also fairs. Here first, I am Ramesh. So here Deepavali is an important festival for us. Okay, we celebrate festival for 3 days. So here Deepavali is an important festival for us, and also we celebrate Deepavali festival for 3 days. Okay, so on first day we celebrated Naraka Chaturdashi, and on second day we celebrated Go Puja, that is washing of cows, and also on third day we celebrate, and also Lakshmi Puja, washing of goddess, washing up washing up the goddess of wealth, and on third day we celebrated Bali Padimi. So this is regarding about the celebration of Deepavali festival. I will once again repeat it. Here is a person. So his name is Ramesh. So he explained the festival of Deepavali. Okay, Deepavali is an important festival for us. So we celebrated Deepavali festival for 3 days. So how we celebrated Deepavali festival? So in 3 days we celebrated Deepavali festival. So on first day we celebrated Naraka Chaturdashi, and second day celebrated Go Puja, that means washing of cows, and also Lakshmi Puja, that means washing the goddess of wealth, and on third day we celebrated as a Bali Padimi. So this is an so explanation of Deepavali festivals. So I think very clear everyone how we celebrated Deepavali festival. So next, so here is a second person, that means so Nagina. So he celebrated Ramzan festival, and he explained how they are celebrated. So their Ramzan festival. So okay, now let us see. So here is a person introducing about herself. I am Nagina. So Ramzan is an important festival for us. So in the month of Ramzan, we fast during the day. Okay. So Ramzan is an important festival. So in the month of Ramzan, so they fast during the daytime, and also on the last day, so we celebrated the festival. On last day, so they celebrated festival, and also they prepare special dishes and sweets on that day. So on last day they prepare special dishes and sweets on that day, and also so friends and neighbors greet each other. Friends and neighbors also greet each other. So they eat sweets and share with neighbors. So this is about celebration of Ramzan festival. I will once again repeat it. So here is a person. His name is Nagina. Introduce herself. I am Nagina. So here Ramzan is an important festival for them. Okay. So in the month of Ramzan, so they fast during the daytime, and also on the last day they celebrated the festivals, and also they prepare special dishes and sweets on that day. Okay, next, so friends and neighbors greet with each other. They eat sweets and shares with neighbors. So this is how how they are greet with each other. Okay. And also during the Deepavali festival, during these 3 days we light lamps, eat sweets, share with neighbors, we enjoy fire and crackers. We enjoy the festivals very much. So this is all about regarding about the Deepavali festival. I will once again repeat it. So Deepavali is an important festival for us. We celebrated festival for 3 days. So on first day we celebrated Narka Chaturdashi, on second day we celebrated Go Puja as well as Lakshmi Puja. So washing up cows as well as washing up the goddess of wealth. On third day we celebrated as a Bali Partimi. During these 3 days, so we light lamps, eat sweets, shares with neighbors. So we enjoy firework and crackers. We enjoy festivals very much. And second festival, so Ramzan is an important festival for us in the month of Ramzan. So we fast during the daytime, and on the last day, so we celebrated the festival. We prepare special dishes and sweets on that day. So friends and neighbors greet with each other, eat sweets and shares with neighbors. Okay. Here is a third person. His name is Robin. So he introducing himself and how they are celebrated Christmas festival. Okay. Now let us see. So I am Robin. Christmas is an important festival for us. So on this festival we decorate the Christmas tree and hang gifts on it. Okay. So on the day of Christmas day, so they decorate Christmas tree and hang gifts on it. Okay. So friends and relatives visit our home on this day. So friends and relatives visit home on this day. They greet each other and enjoy the festivals. Okay, I will once again repeat it. So here is a person, his name is Robin. So he explained so how he celebrate Christmas festival. Christmas is an important festival for them. So on this festival they decorate Christmas tree and hang gifts on it. So friends and relatives visit their home on this day. So they greet each other and enjoying the festivals. Okay, yeah. So Ramesh, Nagin and Robin have described the festivals they celebrated at their homes. Okay. So which festivals do you celebrate in your home? Okay. Yeah, Yugadi, Dasara, Sankranti, Deepavali, Ramzan and Christmas. So all these festivals we celebrated. Okay. So in next class we discuss more things. Thank you all.